Good afternoon, friends. It's around 2:30 and we have started the Hadsar trek. The temperatures are around 35. Let's see. Let's enjoy the rawness of Sahyadri as well. So we started from the base village Hadsar and we are taking the Khutichi vaat, also known as Ghats vaat or Khutichi vaat. I'll show you the thrill of it. I'll show you inside. So right in front of this Khutichi vaat is this fort. I mean, I don't know if it is a fort or a hill, but there is certainly a temple on the top. So if anybody knows which fort or hill is this, kindly comment in the section below. So finally we have some vent. आता जाम बरं वाटतं यार. इतकं हवाच नव्हती आणि वाट लागलेली. So this is Khutichi vaat. Quite interesting, right? So if you want to take the Rajmarg to reach the top of the fort, you would have to take a traverse around this entire mountain, which takes a lot of time. So to cut down on some time, local villagers have made this route. These are basically iron rods pierced into this entire vertical wall at equal distances. So this definitely saves your time, but at the same time it is a bit risky as well. So we have completed the first patch of Hadsar, Khutichi vaat. Now we'll be going to the second patch. First patch was pretty adventurous, but the second one seems to be a bit easy. Let's see. So finally, friends, we have reached to the top of the fort. The Khuti route, the Khutichi vaat, Khuntichi vaat, Ghats vaat is absolutely thrilling. I mean, the videos I have seen before doesn't give any idea about the difficulty level of this trek. Everybody had shot the second patch of it. No one had shot the first patch, which is quite difficult. I mean, especially for the people below 5'8", someone like me who is 5'6", it gets difficult for them. There are 1 or 2 spots at the start of the first patch which are quite difficult, as you can see here right now. The second patch is absolutely easy. I mean, anyone who doesn't have fear of heights, anyone who is not acrophobic, will definitely complete it within 15 seconds. So anyways, it's around 3:15 and we have reached to the top of the fort. So there are 2 routes to come to Hadsar. One is the Khutichi which we took today, and the second one is the marg, from where we will descend. I think this is a good option. You can ascend from Khutichi and descend from marg, because descending from the Khutichi will be definitely difficult unless and until you have enough equipment to rappel down. This fort is also known as Pravatgad or Pravatgad. So again, even this fort was being used as a watchtower for Junnar Kalyan trade route. Now we'll be going to the caves of the fort, and it already looks magical. So in a treaty around 1630s, this fort was given to Mughals by Sahyadri, and then it was like around with the Mughals for 200 years, and then in 1820s the Britishers captured this fort. So right in front of me you can see the Manik Doha again, and somewhere there is Juvdan. So after exploring the fort and that beautiful temple, we decided to descend from the marg. And trust me guys, the sunset on that day was absolutely fabulous. So finally we have reached the base village. It is around 5:15 and we have successfully completed Hadsar fort as well. Trust me guys, it was a brilliant day. We did 3 forts in a day. Chavan, which is the episode 9, Shivneri, and the third one is this Hadsar. So 3 forts in a day, and it was an amazing day, an experience to cherish.